Animals that live with humans and share our homes are called pets. Pets bring joy, comfort, and companionship into our lives. They help people feel happy and loved. In this lesson, let us explore some common pets such as dogs, cats, birds, fishes, rabbits, and hamsters, and learn more about each of them. A dog is a very loyal and loving animal. It protects its owners and enjoys playing with people. Dogs can be trained to follow commands and help in many ways, such as guarding houses or assisting people with disabilities. They need regular exercise, food, and affection to stay healthy and happy. A cat is a gentle and independent pet. It likes to explore its surroundings quietly and often sleeps for long hours. Cats are known for their soft fur, bright eyes, and graceful movements. They love staying clean, enjoy playing with small toys, and are easy to care for, which makes them great indoor companions. Birds are colorful and cheerful animals that can make beautiful sounds. Many people enjoy watching and listening to them sing. Some birds, like parrots, can even learn to repeat human words. They should be kept in clean cages with fresh water and food, and they also need enough space to stretch their wings and move around safely. Fish are peaceful animals that live in water and breathe through gills. Many people keep fish in aquariums with clear and clean water. Fish come in many colors and sizes, which makes them pleasing to look at. Watching fish swim can make people feel calm and relaxed. They need proper feeding and a well-maintained aquarium to stay healthy. A rabbit is a soft and friendly animal that loves to hop and explore. It enjoys eating vegetables like carrots and leafy greens. Rabbits are gentle and like to be around people, but also need space to move freely. With proper care and attention, they can become affectionate family pets. A hamster is a small and active pet that enjoys running and exploring. It often uses a wheel inside its cage to exercise. Hamsters are easy to care for and fun to watch. They like to store food in their cheeks and make small nests to rest. Their playful behavior makes them a delightful pet for beginners. Caring for a pet means giving it love and attention every day. A responsible pet owner provides clean water, healthy food, and a safe place to live. Pets also need grooming, regular health checkups, and time to play and bond with their owners. Proper care keeps pets healthy and ensures they trust and love their families in return. Having pets brings many benefits to people. Pets help reduce stress, make people feel calm, and bring happiness to homes. They encourage owners to play and stay active, which is good for health. Living with pets also teaches kindness, patience, and responsibility. Each pet gives unconditional love and makes life richer and more joyful. Pets are wonderful companions that make human life happier and more meaningful. Every pet, whether a dog, a cat, a bird, a fish, a rabbit, or a hamster, has its own special qualities. Taking good care of pets helps them stay healthy and creates strong bonds of love and trust between animals and humans.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.